When you think of Corvette Restomods, your mind probably jumps straight to workshops in California or Texas. But one German company is proving that Europe can more than hold its own in the world of custom American muscle. Meet Pogea Racing, the racing outfit turned luxury Restomod specialist that's redefining what it means to drive a classic Corvette with power, precision, and European flair. Through its POGEAclassics division, the company has just unveiled one of its most breathtaking builds yet, a first-generation Chevrolet Corvette C1, reborn with modern engineering and style that blends American heritage with exotic materials and German craftsmanship. What sets this build apart is the meticulous reconstruction process. When Pogea Racing got its hands on this vintage Corvette, they discovered a Frankenstein of parts from 1958 and 1959 models. The original tub had been patched together over time, far from ideal. So instead of trying to fix what wasn't right, they rebuilt the car from the ground up. The foundation of the transformation is a new tubular chassis, engineered in collaboration with the Technical University of Munich and SRIII Motorsports. This bespoke structure provides a solid and modern base for performance tuning. To match the frame, Pogea installed a QA1 fully adjustable coil-over suspension system, drastically improving the handling and road feel over the original. But what's under the hood is where this Restomod really comes to life. Gone is the stock engine, replaced with a 6.2-liter GM V8 that delivers 433 horsepower. It's paired with a 4L65E automatic transmission, sending that muscle to the rear wheels with effortless aggression. A custom stainless steel exhaust not only adds to the performance, but creates a growl that blends vintage attitude with modern refinement. Stopping power is just as crucial, and Pogea didn't cut any corners. The brake system is a hybrid of Corvette generations, calipers from a C5, a brake booster from a C4, and additional parts from the C6. The car also wears forged 19-inch wheels wrapped in fresh Michelin rubber, ensuring grip to match the go. And let's talk about that paint. This Corvette is finished in a jaw-dropping two-tone blend of Ferrari's Rosa Corsa, red, and Audi's Ibis white, a bold and stylish combination that makes the car look just as fast standing still. All the chrome trim has been replated, and a new soft top completes the refreshed exterior. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that rivals European supercars. Red Lamborghini leather contrasts beautifully with white Rolls-Royce hides, creating an atmosphere that feels both opulent and sporty. Custom side panels and door cards elevate the fit and finish, while digital gauges from Dakota Digital and a JL Audio sound system add high-tech comfort without compromising the car's vintage charm. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling sculpture, a blend of American soul and European sophistication. While Pogea hasn't revealed the price tag for this build, it's safe to say this is well into six-figure territory. And with two more C1 Restomods already in the works, this German shop is quickly becoming one of the most respected Corvette reimaginers on the planet. If you thought Restomods were all about old-school V8s and chrome trim, think again. This Corvette proves that a classic can be reborn with exotic luxury, cutting-edge engineering, and international appeal.